I'm manifesting Lima. I'm manifesting generator. My partner is Manifestor. How can I best support him when he wants to make something happen? By being aligned to your satisfaction. So being in your best mode. If he wants to make something happen, you can get out of his way, because manifestors can make new things happen themselves most of the time if they live by their design. But you can help them by, you can help him by, like, be mindful how you speak. Like, are you frustrated when you speak, or are you satisfied? You know, like a little baby, like a little aroused child. So be aligned with your design. Follow your sacral, follow your generator passion, and fuel him with good sacral energy, not frustrated sacral energy. So if you're frustrated, don't talk about it. Get it out with exercise or change something in your life. But just speaking about things out of frustration will only perpetuate more